In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables to your Weebly site. If you've been looking to organize information on your website in a clear and structured way, adding a table is a great option, and luckily, it's quite a straightforward process in Weebly. Let's dive into it so you can start enriching your website with neatly arranged data. First things first, to get the ball rolling, you need to add the Simple Table app to your Weebly site. Start by logging into your Weebly account and navigating to the dashboard of the site you want to edit. You'll want to head over to the top bar of your page and click on Apps. This is where all kinds of useful tools are housed for you to enhance your site. In the Apps section, you'll find a search bar. Click into that search bar and type in Simple Table. This is the specific app we're going to be using to create your table. After you hit Enter, you should see the Simple Table app pop up in your search results. Click on it, and you'll be given the option to add it to your site. Go ahead and add it. What happens now is that this app becomes part of the elements you can work with when building your site, much like the other elements you may have seen, such as text boxes or image galleries. Now that the Simple Table app is added, let's move on to actually deploying it on your site. Head back to your site's editor by clicking on Build, located on the top bar. This is your creative space where you'll be making all your visual adjustments. From here, scroll through your list of available elements until you find Simple Table. All you need to do is drag it from the list and drop it onto the desired section of your web page. Once your table is placed, click on it to start editing its contents. This is where you can really tailor it to meet your specific needs. You can adjust the number of rows and columns to fit precisely how much information you're working with. You also have a variety of settings and design options that you can modify to ensure your table fits seamlessly with the overall look and feel of your site. You can tweak the styles, alignments, and colors to match your website's theme. Take your time here to craft something that is not only functional, but also visually appealing. And just like that, you're done. Your Weebly site now has a brand new table, all set up and looking professional, ready to display your information. Hopefully this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.